Come reset with me for 2023. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. In today's video, I'm going to do a little activities in order to create a fresh start and reset for 2023. Let's get started. So first I created like a checklist sort of on Notion, thinking and doing like a brain dump on all the things that I have to do. Now let's start with the physical reset, because clear space is equal to clear mind. But first, a song motivation. First, I wanted to tackle my desk space because I do most of my work here. I did a quick cleaning.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good.
And also this is an organizer that I have next to my desk. As you can see, it is in a literal mess. I was cleaning, decluttering and organizing it one at a time. So I have lot of pins. I segregated everything and tried everything if it writes well or not. And then I started separating like all my sticky notes separately, notepad separately, highlighters, brush pens and everything, and organized a little bit. I wanted to clean my shelf area. Once that's done, I will be keeping my journals there so that it's quite easy to use those. Organizer is all done, neat and clean. Coming to my wardrobe, I was decluttering my clothes, fits me or not, if I like it or not, arranged everything. This is a final update. It looks quite good and also functional. I have all the clothes that I absolutely like and use more often. Next, coming to the next shelf wherein I keep my books, stationery and journals and everything. I quickly cleaned and arranged. It looks much better. Next, coming to my dressing table. I have this cupboard inside this like mirror. It's kind of okay, but this one is quite messy. So I cleaned it up and organized it with the things that I use more often. it's done. One thing I'm procrastinating lately is to change the brush head for my electric toothbrush. I'll be changing this brush head for every 3 months, and I should have changed this last week, but still I didn't done that. Anyways, now I changed and now it's good for my oral hygiene. I'm finally really happy with this physical reset. Everything looks so much better and good right now than it was before, and I just burned an incense stick. It just helps to calm and relax our mind, so I just did that. With that, the physical reset completed. Now moving on to my digital reset. I wanted to reset my phone. I cleared few pictures in the gallery and back up some of the important files, and I also organized my apps and changed my vision board, lock screen wallpaper, and it was all good. Then coming to my computer, which holds a lot of clutter, I cleared my desktop and downloads folder, which is always messy, and also I did clean my Mac, which is sort of useful. I tried it for the first time, and also I did change my 2023 vision board wallpaper and cleared my email inbox to 0. With that, digital reset is done. It feels good. In fact, so good. Now let's reflect on my 2022 goals. Okay guys, coming to my 2022 goals reflection. I had like 22 goals for 2022. Okay, let's start our goals reflection. So first, I already have few things checked off. Goal is in my health category, just to lose 2 kgs of weight, and guess what? I lost about 6 kgs, and it's just crazy thinking is to start working out, which I did. Started working out like properly by myself. I just started working out in 2022 only. Next is a healthy lifestyle, which is again I'm really glad that I started in a much better place than I was in 2022, so that's great. Next is to read 1 book a month, 12 books this year, which not happened. I think I completed around 6 books, so I will give myself like off take because I'm sure I read more than last year. Like 2021, I think I read only 3 or 4 books, so I just crossed my own yearly reading goal. And the next goal is to learn new language, that is to learn to speak Korean, which not happened that much. Did like a teeny tiny job in that. Next, I have be productive and kind to yourself, and I think it's quite happened. Most of the time in 2022, I was productive and also being kind to myself and everything, and I didn't achieve this work-life balance. I would say I was quite good, like I can give like a 1 dot, but still I have a long way to go. Travel or staycation with my family, which I did. It's really a fun experience. I enjoyed it. Next is to reach 1000 subscribers and monetize my YouTube channel. I reached 1000 subscribers, as you can see under my channel name. We are around 1.5k subscribers. So first of all, thank you so much for that. It's one of the big achievement for me to reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. But I didn't monetize, that's why it's off tick, but it's okay. I think I will achieve that in this year. Next is to create an upload schedule and stick to it. Not happened. I think it happened just for 1 month. I stick to it, and then it not happened that much. Then is to pay off debt, which is sort of like a vision because it doesn't happen in 1 year, so no. Then to save more. Okay, this is quite surprising to me because it happened. I am not a saver, okay? I'm a spender, big spender. I don't save that much. Somehow it all happened in 2022. I started saving and also I started investing. Next goal, like 2 environmental goals. One is to shift to a new home, which also happened. Next is to keep your room simple, minimal, clean and functional. It is exactly the same. Travel with family and this one, I think both are kind of similar. So anyways, have K-drama binge days. Of course I had. I think I watched few K-dramas like non-stop, so that's great. I always love those binge days, you know. I wanted to try meditating, which I didn't. I think 2023 it is. Next, to journal whenever you wanted to. I did. Whenever I kind of like had like a lot of stress or anxious thoughts, I took my journal and started writing down. Next, have routines in place. Not happened. Be kind to yourself. It happened. Donate clothes, things I don't use. I did this. and then share useful stuff through my channel. I think I did this. I also received some lovely kind comments from you guys that just brings smile to my face instantly, and I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for watching and commenting on my videos, guys. Literally, your comments are my motivation. And that's it. This is my goals reflection. Next up is reviewing my 2022. So first I'm going to journal about my year 2022, like in general, and then I've written some of my 2022 wins, and also I've written some of my life lessons. And coming to my favorite songs, I just written from my Spotify Wrapped because I use Spotify in order to listen to my music. Next, I've written some of my favorite K-dramas of 2022, which I will always rewatch. First is Extraordinary Attorney Woo, brilliant, just perfect cast, story. The story in each and every episode, just wow. Next is Business Proposal, loved every bit of it. So good. Next, Shooting Stars, again I really like. Next is Backstreet Rookie, again a workplace rom-com. It's funny and nice, and also Crash Landing on You. I'm really late to this drama, but I loved it. Next, Hello the Sharpshooter, which is a C drama, and then I had Private Life, Clean with Passion for Now, Weightlifty, Fairy, Link, which is something I thought I will not like it, but still I liked it. And then I watched Full House, Coffee Prince, which are like old K-dramas, but they are really gold. It really so good considering it was filmed really long time ago. Next is Little Women, again that I really know I will not be liking it, but I liked it. Next is Once Upon a Small Town, which is really refreshing to see like a K-drama in a village setup. It's really cute and nice, kind of nostalgic for me. So these are some of my favorites of 2022. Then I did my 2023 goal setting. So I got this bullet journal from Amazon. I will make sure to link it. It's really good quality. First, I've written 2023 and my word of the year, which is persistence. Then I did level 10 life review. So I written all the level 10 life categories, and then I just asked myself how happy I am in that particular area, like from 1 to 10, and then I reviewed all the 10 areas. And like last year, I don't want to set goals for all the areas this time. Like I will be having like visions for all the areas of my life, okay, all level 10, but I will set goals only for few areas that I would like to focus more in 2023. My focus areas for 2023 are health and fitness, personal development, YouTube, finance, and self-care. And then I started to write down my 2023 goals for each and every areas. So let me share with you guys my 2023 goals. First is health and fitness. I want to maintain my healthy weight and BMI. I'm so happy and proud about myself for that, and I want to maintain that. Next one is to work out 1 time a week and walk 5 times a week. Next, I want to eat healthy, 3 liters of water every single day. And those are the basic health and fitness goals in order to be healthy and feel good. And coming to personal development, I want to read 12 books this year. The same goal from 2022 I carry forwarded. And then I want to complete 3 courses because my course learning was not at all good in 2022. I want to change that, and I want to learn to speak Korean. Maybe I can take up a course regarding that as well. I want to search it up. And then I want to wake up early and sleep early. This goal is really important for me because my sleep cycle is messed up in 2022. I want to change that for sure. Next, coming to YouTube or social media goals. First thing is to monetize my YouTube channel. Next is I want to reach 5,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and if you like my content, do subscribe. It will help me to reach this goal, and also it means a lot to me. Thanks in advance. Next goal is to stick to an upload schedule, which is also another goal from 2022. And I also want to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram. Next, coming to finance, I want to save and invest more because I started to save and invest in 2022. I'm really glad that I did that, and I want to do more in 2023. Next is I want to unlock a new income stream, and next is I want to follow 50-30-20 rule of budget. I kind of follow it, but sometimes I mess it up with my wants and savings. It always like that. I want to stick to that budget of 50-30-20 rule. Next, I want to first save and then spend. Next, I want to stick to the budget. Next, coming to some self-care goals, I want to start doing yoga and meditation. If I just started that habit also, it will be quite awesome. I just wanted to do that. And also I want to take enough breaks, plan consistently. Planning and using my planners is like kind of therapeutic for me. It really feels good. And then I want to journal, have a work-life balance, and also have some routines in place. That's it. These are my self-care goals. So that's it. These are my 2023 goals. I'm really excited. Then I've written a reading list. Like, I've not completely done with my reading list. I still need to do some research, so I will complete it later on. And then I did the letter to my future self thing, and also I'm going to be writing my letter to myself for my future self separately. I have like a letter to my future self page spread in the Factor Notes planner itself, but I feel like if it is in the planner, I might often look at it and read it, so I just wanted to keep it away. And also, since it's a hardbound planner, I'm a little skeptical about tearing those pages, so I got these letter sheets from the last year Alicia Souza planner. Look at it, it's so cute. These floral designs. I also have another design. This is so good, and another one as well. This is like a plain sort of. I'm going to write it into this envelope, which is also from Alicia Souza, and I've written open this on January 1st 2024. So that's what I'm going to do. That's it, guys. With that, my 2023 reset is done. Thank you so much for watching this super long getting my life together for 2023. Guys, if you want to know what are some essentials that you may need for a productive 2023, you need to watch this video, which is on the screen right now. It might help you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.